Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Aadhaar number and access to the phone you think is registered. Once done, choose the official UID route or an authorized KYC service. This matters because only authorized channels can validate registered mobile numbers. Make sure you have another reachable number for verification prompts. Start the process on a secure network and avoid public Wi-Fi. You will need to authenticate for privacy reasons, so be ready for one-time password steps and minimal identity confirmation. Now proceed through the UID or Aadhaar flow to reveal the masked mobile or verify linkage. You select the Verify Mobile Number feature. Once selected, the system asks for Aadhaar and sends an OTP to the alternate phone you provided. Enter the OTP promptly. Delays cause expiry. The portal returns a mask number like XXXXX1234 so you can identify which SIM is linked. If you use an enrolled center, a staff member will initiate the check and ask for your consent before. Finish by confirming the mask digits and deciding whether to update or keep the registered number. If you opt to update, you will authenticate again with an OTP and complete the mobile update form, then note the acknowledgement or SR number. If OTPs repeatedly fail or the number is incorrect, make sure your alternate contact is active. Otherwise, go to an Aadhaar center for in-person verification. One key troubleshooting tip: if SMS delivery is blocked, try another network or the enrollment center to bypass carrier issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.